Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I bring you the greatest show to unbox.
The WOG.
The WOG is here. So, pick this up today. It officially released today. Oh god, this is me. Justin has to see how many of these he can build and paint in 24 hours.
Yes.
Oh god. My wife is gonna kill me.
Get you out of going grocery shopping.
No, it doesn't. I need food in the house. So, I'll just need the awesome box.
Let me turn off the light so we can sit there. Ah! I said off!
You gotta hold it. I have to explain to the cameraman how to use this camera. So, currently, by looking at...
Is the bomb in play?
I mean, there is bomb boys in here.
Oh, dude. Back.
Oh, yes. Absolutely.
Magic of the camera.
Yeah.
Big serial number.
Yep, but in good things, we got the last one at our local shop. Pretty new plastic.
Plastic crack. Plastic crack.
This is great, but the plastic crack ran a base. So big. So it's just ran a base. Okay. So if you want to see what's in here, but this is one of the main reasons right below this. This is the cool artwork inside.
One for the shop.
One for my house. Go to my office. But this is what we've been looking for. Ooh, transfer sheet.
Transfer sheets. Ooh.
I now have work transfer sheets. Or basics, the data cards. Oh, they actually put the book. So, this book, Codex, if you will, is already selling for $100 a pop. Now, if you look at most normal codexes, they're around 50. So, and this was released today here in the States. So, I mean, it officially released. And this plastic blue is very well done. There we go. Just need a little puncture. Reasons why you don't cut your fingernails. Because as soon as you do,
we have an unboxing video.
We have an unboxing to do, and then Justin can't get into things because he doesn't have any nails to rip things open. There we go. God. You we will hit later on because I'm gonna build you. But ooh.
Live off the land, go to find war, kill what come close. The old ways is best.
Oh god, I love this. Even the feel of it. Oh, I love this codex already. Yeah, I won't show it, but yes, it does have the code in the back for putting it into the app. But yes, the new Orc Codex is here. And we have it. Stratagems, the clans, everything.
Now the question is, does Midwinter have it?
I don't know. He's auctioning off his, or not auctioning, giving away in a raffle his whole Black Fortress thing.
I saw.
And I mean, they got Colorblind Man to judge a painting contest.
Hey, I'm not judging. He did
very well with it.
He did.
the data cards. So when you probably go buy these once they're released as just regular. So I'm predicting that this whole Snagga Orcs is probably eventually going to be released as the Orcs Combat Patrol, the Codex, and data cards all individually. But you won't get them with the fancy artwork and everything like we're doing with this. Of course, good new data cards. Got everything for the orcs. Their psychic power.
Weird boy, psych.
Yep, I guess what it's a smite. Oh no, there's another one. Squiggly curse. Anyways, enough of this. I'm gonna start putting these together. I will catch y'all after I'm done doing this.